Alright, this is the faucet right here, and this is the drain that you connect down inside, which I'm going to be showing you. But first, let's connect the faucet. See, it have this like a gasket, you know, to prevent the water from going in. So now you come under the bottom here now, right to the bottom. You might be able to see, but you got to connect it from the bottom. It's very hard. You want to make sure that you tighten it really good. Real good. So put up the next one again. And you want to make sure you tighten it. You put it on straight because you don't want it to cross thread at all. Okay, so come up here now. So now as you notice, it's very tight, it's not moving, which is good. So you turn on. Okay. Now I also got to do some adjustment, but leave that right there. This goes down, and this washer comes on from the bottom, and then you tighten it with this. So that's it. You go down, then you put on this washer first. This is to make sure that no water leaks at all. Now you tighten this really, really good. You got to tighten it good because you want to make sure there's no leaks. Real tight. Good. So this is right here. You press it down to keep the water from coming out, and you release it. Okay. We also have, this is what we call the water line, which gonna connect from the water source, and then this gonna connect to the faucet. So this part gonna connect to the turn-off valve. This part gonna connect to the faucet. But really, you need some of the tape. Let me see if I have any. Okay. It's really good to use these tapes because these tapes, I'm trying to rush, or these tapes kind of prevent leaks. Okay, so you might be able to see, but I'm gonna wrap it around, give it a little, wrap it around a little, just once you get a little here, and then the biggest part, you cut the kit right there. I'm not seeing up this, it's kind of difficult, but so basically this is the connection. I'm just showing you. I'm going to be doing the same thing with the tape, but I'm just showing you. This is the connection right here. So and you got to make sure you tighten them, or you don't want no water leak. So now this is going to be collecting to the water valve, which is right here. These are what you call water valve. This is water valve. Okay. Alright, so I'm just setting it up and then I'm gonna leave it. I still gotta do some painting, still gotta fix the floor. But this is how you set up the vanity. Nice and easy. Okay, pretty stylish. And this is the handle right here. So you got to screw off the handle here and turn it around. Alright, same thing you got to do here. You screw out the and turn it around. Alright.